Hi, I'm Dr. Pamela Smith. I'm the Director of Medical Education for the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. I would like to invite you to a new workshop on the complicated patient. Many times we get questions on what do you really do with that complex patient. They come in to see you and you go, where do I begin? Is it hormones? Is it gut? Is it toxic metals? Is it Lyme disease? Do I test for mold? Where do I begin on Monday morning? This workshop is new and it was developed to answer that question. World-class professors are presenting, myself, Dr. Philomena Trindade, Dr. Todd Lapine, we have Dr. Mark Houston, Dr. James Laval, and Dr. Andy Heyman. We hope you join us for this very exciting workshop to have all your questions answered on the complex patient.